Looking to make a difference in the world? Do you want to leave your mark and directly impact the lives of others? Then a career in engineering could be the choice for you.
Engineering is definitely for me, and the job opportunities for it, the co-op program at MUN is phenomenal. The teachers are really knowledgeable as well, so I decided to go for it.
I am interested in the field of engineering because it's such an important factor in the world today. And also I like a challenge, and that's what I like about engineering, because you're challenged every day, either on work terms or in the classroom, because you always have to go that step further.
I think what makes someone a good engineer is someone who's really disciplined. By nature, I'm not phenomenally disciplined. However, the program has made me very disciplined and very logical.
Engineers are problem solvers, focused on making things work more efficiently and effectively. They apply the theories and principles of science and mathematics to research and develop economical solutions to technical problems. Their work is the link between perceived social needs and commercial applications.
Well, engineers in general, in whatever discipline, usually come through a very rigorous program where they learn how to troubleshoot, how to problem solve, how to work together in teams, how to think linearly and systematically on troubleshooting. Sometimes it's about how do you solve this entire flow sheet problem to make the process work better.
Engineers are analytical thinkers. When designing new systems, they must always be concerned about reliability, sustainability, safety, economical, and environmental issues. Teamwork is essential for engineers. Engineering students at Memorial University learn the value of working in teams, whether it be in study groups, practical laboratory exercises, or on cooperative work terms.
It's not always easy working in a team and learning everyone's attitudes and how they react to situations, but it's a really important skill that people need to know how to do to work in a team, and you know when to step up and be that leader in your team environment, or whether or not to stand back and listen to everyone's ideas and opinions and make sure that everyone within your group is heard.
In school, it's a lot of theory, calculations, and math. Work terms let you get out into the field and apply it and actually see where it comes in handy. A lot of people, when they're in school, say, you know, I'll never use this stuff, but when on work terms, you actually will use it and you'll see why it's important. And of course, they are paid work terms, so this helps pay student loans or books or whatever. And so a lot of engineers, most engineers would graduate with little or no student loans.
Engineering students work in teams on group projects for courses and competitions. Teams representing Memorial have participated in competitions designing apps for iPads and iPhones, for MUN Sailbot, Concrete Toboggan, and the Memorial Baja team.
The Memorial Baja team gives students a chance to apply their knowledge that they have learned in school, whereas aside from your term projects that you get, you actually get to build something, see it come into being, and get the joy and satisfaction of taking it out on the road yourself and feeling what you built. It's a great learning experience. We all work together, and then we carry over that teamwork into our class environment. We work in groups together in our courses and share our knowledge between ourselves. It's a great way to get together outside of class.
Engineers are active, energetic people who enjoy tackling challenges and using science and mathematics to change the world. The disciplines within engineering are open to men and women alike. All that is required is commitment, dedication, and a willingness to make a difference.
Engineers Without Borders essentially provided me with the opportunity to be able to learn and grow and work in Africa and see kind of poverty and the work that we're doing on the ground. And at the end of the day, it gave me the experience to use what I've kind of learned from my education to really help create a difference in the lives of the Malawians that I was working with, and to provide them with the opportunities to lift themselves out of poverty. Engineers Without Borders helped me find my passion, and it helped me find how I could use my engineering degree to do something that I really enjoy and really love.
The Faculty of Engineering is a supportive environment that is committed to assisting new students in the transition from high school to university. First-year engineering students can get assistance and tutoring at the Help Center. Students will also receive support from faculty and fellow students.
It's a different atmosphere. It's a good atmosphere. It helps you. You have no problem. If you need help, you can go and ask a classmate, how did you do this? It's very good like that.
Professors are really helpful. Whenever you need any extra help or any questions, they're usually around to answer your questions. The engineering office, you can contact them whenever you need anything. The co-op office tries to help you in whatever ways they can. So it's really been an overall positive experience.
Memorial University offers 6 major disciplines of engineering: civil, electrical, computer, mechanical, ocean and naval architecture, and process engineering. Regardless of whether your area of interest lies in construction, computers, chemistry, or currents, the Faculty of Engineering at Memorial has a discipline of study for you. Civil engineers design, plan, and manage society's infrastructure, including the highways, buildings, and water systems we use daily. They are also involved in community development, waste management, and disaster prevention. Electrical engineering is a diversified field that focuses on a wide variety of devices, systems, and processes involving electricity. Electrical engineers are usually concerned with using electricity to transmit energy, while electronic engineers are concerned with using electricity to process information. Computer engineers design and analyze computer systems. They design both hardware and software in applications including video games, communication networks, information systems, mobile handheld devices, and robotics. Mechanical engineers are concerned with the principles of force, energy, and motion. They design and develop machines that make a difference in all of our lives, from the vehicles we drive to the planes we fly, the products we buy to the medical devices that save lives. The program in Ocean and Naval Architectural Engineering at Memorial is the top program of its kind in North America. It includes 2 related but distinct fields. Naval architectural engineers conceive, design, and construct ships and offshore structures, while ocean engineers develop and design floating, underwater, and bottom-sighted systems. Process engineering is the field of study for students interested in green and clean processes that are safe and environmentally friendly. This relatively new discipline is based on the principles of chemistry and is utilized in fields that include the oil and gas industry, mining, and food processing. Engineers help shape the future. They envision the world that could be. It is the job of the engineer to determine what people need or want and figure out the best way to provide it.
If you find that you want to be challenged and you like solving problems and making things, then engineering is probably a good way to go.
I always liked science and math. They were my strongest points, so that was really why I chose engineering.
I want to become an engineer because I like innovating, I like creating, and that's what engineers do. They innovate and they create.
No one can say what the future will bring, but one thing is certain. Engineers will play a major role in shaping the world of tomorrow. This is the job of the engineer, combining the knowledge and tools of today with the dreams of tomorrow. Come join us at Memorial University's Faculty of Engineering. Make a difference. Change the world. Become an engineer.